Do you want to unlock the full potential of your sales funnel? It's time to track every step and go high level and make data-driven improvements. Tracking your funnel performance helps you understand what's working and what needs tweaking. From top-of-funnel activities to conversions, GoHighLevel provides all the insights you need to boost your results. GoHighLevel makes it easy to set up tracking. Use the built-in analytics dashboard to monitor key metrics like conversion rates, bounce rates, and customer engagement. Just head to your funnel settings and enable tracking with a few clicks. Keep an eye on critical metrics like page views, sales, and conservation rate. This data will show you where your leads are dropping off and where they're converting the most. Once you've identified the bottlenecks, it's time to optimize. Tweak your landing pages, adjust your call to actions. Small changes can make a big impact. Ready to take your marketing to the next level? Sign up for GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial today. It's a great way to explore all the features and make sure to book your kickoff call for a seamless onboarding experience. Check the links in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching.